So this is your first time ever on a motorcycle, and I can tell you from my own experience, it's completely scary because this thing is heavy. This is a 2015 Harley Davidson Road King Police Edition. So pretty heavy, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna help you get over the fear of falling, because that is probably the thing that everybody is the most afraid of. See, fear is false evidence appearing real. So you imagine what it's going to be like, but you don't know what it's going to be like. And the anticipation of what it's going to be like is more scary than the actual doing it. So if we just get that out of the way, then we can actually get on to learning how to ride a motorcycle. Okay, so this is one of the huge payoffs of learning how to ride your bike and maneuver it at slow speeds. Because I'm on the grass here, and for me to try and move my bike, I'm big and I can't do it. So if you're small, I get why you wouldn't want to ride a motorcycle this big, because you can't move it. But you can if you're small and you're skilled.
And you can ride a bigger motorcycle like our motorcycles. Like, you're sitting on a power plant of tremendous power, and you're giving all that up and trying to hold it up and walk it around and maneuver it with your own body strength. The thing has enough strength for all of us. You just got to learn how to use that strength and move that bike around, for sure.
So I'm going to turn my wheel. I'm going to keep my bike straight up, okay? And I'm going to just go forward, okay? So make sure you're in first gear. Cover the rear brake. I got to lean it a little bit this way because I'm on a little bit of an incline. I'm going to bring the throttle up into preload, and then I'm going to drive. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. That's the payoff. That's what you get. You can maneuver your bike in tight quarters when you have these skills, and that's what I'm going to make sure that you practice enough. I'm not going to teach you all these skills because there's lots of people out there that teach. What I'm doing is I'm going to be your accountability partner, and I'm going to make sure that you practice 10 minutes a day. 10 minutes a day on specific things that are going to get you to the point where you can do that.